Hi everybody, and welcome to our EMEA office here in Stuttgart, Germany. My name is Riccardo Molinelli and I am here today to introduce the brand new AORALSCAN 3 and guide you through all the hardware and software news available with that. Let's check them out. Let's start from the brand new packaging available for AORALSCAN 3. As you can see, we thought about a more resistant and more handy solution to keep the scanner in a safer and more efficient environment in the dental clinic. Let's have a look now at what are the news inside the box. First of all, we can immediately notice some very important features about the structure and the design of the scanner itself. The ergonomic shape of AORALSCAN 3 makes the handle very comfortable and manageable, and the weight of 240 grams only makes it truly handy and adapt to perform multiple scan sessions without efforts for the operator. Also, the single cable connecting the scanner to the hub will help dentists to have a tidier and more efficient working environment. Among the most important new feature, we can see the button at the central part of the scanner, used to start and stop the scan, as well as to activate the motion control tool, as we will see later. One of the aspects for which we can see the most important news and the highest improvement is for sure the aspect related to the scanning tips. First of all, we can immediately notice that the increased length as well as the reduced thickness of the tip allows an easier access to the deepest points of patient's mouth, which is a very useful feature when we have to scan posterior teeth and when space is reduced. Moreover, we have to say that AORALSCAN 3 is provided with 5 scan tips included in the box, with 2 different sizes. The standard version with higher scanning area and the smaller one for an easier acquisition on the posterior teeth and, or in general, more comfortable for most sensitive patients. Both these types of scan tips can be autoclaved up to 100 times at 121 or 134 Celsius degrees. Moving forward and looking at the tools included in the box, we can find a calibration tool for an easy and fast calibration process. Several different plugs for power connection in different geographic areas, and the flash disk needed just for the installation of scanning software. No dongle is needed to run the scanning software itself. Last but not the least, we can find 2 stone models in occlusion to run your test with AORALSCAN 3. One last thing before moving to the practical demonstration. As you can see, we have here a brand new cart available with AORALSCAN 3. Thanks to this new solution, dentists can perform more efficient scanning session in a tidier environment in the clinic by placing laptop and scanner always very close to the dentist chair. That's it. After this quick introduction, we are now ready to scan.